I'm using my personal vehicle to perform courier services on behalf of the DoorDash platform. In this case, my business is a sole proprietor that is independently contracted with DoorDash. If your situation fits this scenario, then you would most likely use the standard mileage rate. When I look at my mileage report Stride has provided me, I see January 2nd, I drove a total of 23.1 miles. And according to the IRS website, the standard mileage rate for 2020 was 57.5. So I would take 23.01 times 57.5, and that would equal 1323. Take the decimal and move it over 2 decimal spaces to the left, and you will have $13.23. So my tax deduction for January 2nd would be $13.23, which is exactly what the Stride app has already calculated. The Stride app automatically calculates the current year's standard mileage rate as is determined by the IRS. However, for demonstration purposes, I thought it would be helpful to show this equation in written form.